Hello all. So I have been talking in few videos about how we can take some of the points from the sports and then apply to real life or in a corporate world. So today I'm going to take example of England batsman and wicketkeeper Johnny Bairstow performance in IPL, and we will see how his role in Sunrisers Hyderabad has been, and how it influenced the team. So, if you see Johnny Bairstow's role, people say he bats well in the first innings. Some people say he bats well in the second innings. There has been a divided thing, but it's again on a day. If he performs well, whether it be first or second batting, it doesn't matter for a player of his caliber. He has been a valuable contributor, and if particularly I have been a big fan of him, being a supporter of Sunrisers Hyderabad, I was happy that he was picked for this team. And throughout the IPL, if you see, Sunrisers Hyderabad team on paper um, may not be so competitive against the teams who are star-studded. But there has been performance. We can say team performance basically from Natarajan or Sandeep Sharma, or in that case Holder, Warner, and in some matches Bairstow has contributed. So now what has happened is, throughout this IPL, if you see, Bairstow has been a very animated player for Hyderabad. If you have seen his matches behind the stumps, he has been very active. When he was on the bench, when the other players are contributing on the pitch, he was animated. We can just think of Virat Kohli's animations on the pitch. So similar way, he was more involved in the match, and his combination with Warner was good at the top, even though they could not put in too much of effort. Now, considering that point, he was even good behind the wickets, but Sunrisers were doing average in the IPL. Suddenly, there was a call taken by the management to put him on the bench, bring Williamson in, and then in his place, as a wicketkeeper, Saha was brought in, and suddenly the things changed. So, Hyderabad started winning. Saha started scoring brilliantly, and finally, Sunrisers landed in playoffs. So here, one learning what we could see is, even though he was willing to contribute, he was very active on the pitch, very enthusiastic, being an excellent player for his country. His contributions were average this IPL definitely, but he has that willingness to contribute, and the team. He was more a team player basically, but that did not work out. End of the day, when he was put on the bench, Saha played well. So it doesn't mean Saha is a inferior player. Saha is a good player. He has been in the domestic tournaments for a long time. He has been an Indian player. So Sai has his own capabilities. So what we mean to say here is that the change from Bairstow to Saha played into the hands of Sunrisers Hyderabad definitely, but Bairstow didn't seem to have done injustice to his role. He was active. He wanted to contribute. He wanted the team to win. But end of the day, it did not matter for Hyderabad. Similarly, in corporate, we see many times there are guys who always stay positive in the team, mingle with others, provide that environment where they'll be friendly, and and these guys themselves contribute well to the project, try to contribute well to the project, but due to some circumstances, what happens is either their project doesn't work well, and suddenly when some other guy comes in to assist or do things, the project again takes a positive turn. So these are some scenarios we definitely see in the corporate world as well. Some might have happened within our team, some might have happened in other teams, in other companies. So this one learning we can just take from this, that a single man dependency on is not always good. There should be a team, and if someone doesn't perform, there is no harm in the corporates also, that he can be replaced with the other guy, so that a change of environment comes in, a different thoughts comes in, and the thought, because the change in thought process is everything in whether it be project, whether it be any area, any field basically. So definitely I felt it was a good comparison to do. So please post your comments. If you like our channel, please subscribe and like our video. I would like to see your comments whether this comparison made sense or not. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.